Hi guys, welcome to St. John's Landing, a boater's paradise community. Today we're going to check our new listing, 4927 Motor Yacht Drive, Jacksonville, Florida. Come on in. This warm and inviting, completely renovated two-story home welcomes you. Over 2,900 square feet of living space, 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a very open concept floor plan. Bright and airy with breathtaking river views and the instant feeling of being home. As you walk through this home, you'll find the upscale finishes and luxury hardwood flooring throughout. As you make your way to the outside, you'll find yourself to enormous enclosed Florida room for your family gathering, fenced backyard, and an extended paved driveway for your boat. This community is one of the best boat ramps in Jacksonville with deep water dock. 4927 Motor Yacht Drive has a location lifestyle. This home is dog-friendly, family-friendly, and golf cart-friendly. From tennis to fishing and boating with your family and friends, live every day like you're on Northeast Florida vacation. Are you ready to make it your own?